Hi, folks. I am Tom Kvicka, and I'm going to give you a little weather information here for today. Kind of be straight to the point, so don't lose too much time here. We still see some clouds out ahead of another little weather system that will affect us heading into the weekend with a little rain chance Friday and Friday night, maybe even lingering into early Saturday morning. Not looking for a lot with that, though, but these clouds are kind of an early harbinger or signal that there's something else on the way that will change up our weather a little bit. That's at Sinlaw Broadcasting Camera on Texas Street in Alexandria. Today's country 105.7. Let's go over to Leesville. Hello to all you folks over there. Likewise, we're seeing some clouds over in that direction. Same story, that incoming weather system doing that. Weather headlines, this is what I'll be talking about in detail. First of all, we'll headline it with the Arctic front coming. You probably already heard about that, and it's on its way. How cold will it get? We got the numbers. And frozen confidence today appears steady. I didn't increase it or decrease it, so I didn't see anything to sway me either way or another. So steady as she goes for right now. Satellite and radar showing a little bit of high pressure at the surface. We're seeing some energy to the north, but it's the southern part of the jet stream that's a little bit active, carrying some of those clouds into the air. You see that on the satellite imagery there across Louisiana. Most of that is high and mid-level energy. Futurecast coming into Friday morning, not looking for much in the way of weather here. Probably some clouds would be about it. Once we get into the day Friday in the PM hour, there'll be some hit and miss showers and sprinkles across the area. Nothing severe or heavy or anything like that. And that chance will continue into Friday night and very early Saturday. Once we get into Saturday morning, say around 7 o'clock, it's probably all over with for deer hunters. Folks might want to be out doing something that early Saturday morning. Otherwise, throughout the day, Saturday, no issues as we head into the PM hours. Any rain chances would be over with by that time. Futurecast, I'm going to put this on for you. This is a GFS, but it does have some truth to it, even though this is just one model. I want to focus on the cold air, which is just a large body of cold air up across the Arctic and Canada. And you can see that this is Sunday about midday. That first wave is dipping into the United States, and that is the arrival of the Arctic front that we're expecting here in central Louisiana. It is a true Arctic front. It's not originating up here in the northern plains or southwest Canada or anything like that. It's coming from basically the top of the world, folks. So that's why it's going to be a pretty cold one. So let me go a little bit further ahead. You can see, again, that rotation with the polar vortex there. And then here comes another shot latter part of next week into the northern United States. And sometimes we don't get those here. Sometimes we do. This one doesn't look like it's going to bring much of a renewed chill. It's just going to stay persistently chilly. And then even by next Monday, past the 7-day forecast, we see still this pattern, this chillier than normal pattern continuing. So the 7-day forecast in force goes into about a 30% chance of rain Friday. I'll limit it to the PM, and then a 20% Saturday morning there into the early morning hours. We might get a little bit above 30% for Friday night, but not much. And a first front will come through and kind of end things. Will be mostly sunny Sunday as that Arctic front kind of comes through. And you notice a big temperature drop there from Saturday into Sunday thanks to that front. And then a hard freeze, at least a moderate freeze in some of the warmest locations, but a lot of you, we get that average of 24. We'll have a hard freeze Monday morning, and that will be the coldest morning of the winter so far. 36 only for your high, with clouds arriving throughout the day. And so we will be able to click back above freezing, I think, for Monday. Not so Tuesday, with cloud cover and a low starting out at 23 degrees. I think only the low 30s is best I can do for you that day. And yes, explicitly, I got some wintry stuff there in the forecast. Don't know about amounts yet or exact timing or anything like that, but it does look like that system will be progressive. It's not going to hang out for 3 or 4 days. And so by Wednesday, we're back to a mixture of some clouds and a little sunshine there. But we bottom out about 20 degrees. That means there's going to be some upper teens across the area, and that will be then the new coldest morning of the winter so far. I think we can get 39 for a high on Wednesday, and then a system coming in behind Tuesday's system will bring us another chance of some, looks like a liquid event there for Thursday and Thursday night. 30 and 45 for your temperature readings there. So not expecting any renewed issues there for that Thursday night thing that'll be going on there. So that is your 7-day forecast. And really quick, let's go beyond this to the 24th through the 30th of January. And with that upper level pattern I showed you with the GFS, where the cold air continues to shoot down out of the north, a large area below normal temperatures remains over across portions of the United States, above normal out across the western states, and down across portions of the far southeast there. Looks like maybe a little bit above normal as well. So that temperature pattern will continue. And of course, Nick will update you in the morning, and I'll see you again during the PM. Take care. And